Hello folks, I got an unboxing for you. My dog is sleeping peacefully. So, you saw a little bit of my dog. I got an unboxing here. Now, I've had this previously. The Z6III and the Z8 need the Nikon type of battery charges. Two different pieces, okay? Battery and then the converter, all right? I found that with the ZF, it can use the older type of battery charger, like from Gonine. That can use the first mirrorless Z cameras, like the Z6, Z6II, Z7II, Z7, a lot of, and then the ZF. So, this is the new camera. I have another one in the car that worked, and I think it's the same brand that worked with this camera and that camera. So this is what the unboxing is for. They show you the product. So it's an unboxing, okay? So here's the cable. And I always have a problem with the cables unboxing because I forget which way. They sometimes turn it this way, sometimes turn it that way. Okay. All right, got it. And I got it plugged in. Next, here's the dummy battery. I like the packaging, by the way. Gonine. I'll put that there. So here's the battery, and it's the size of the Nikon full frame. I like the little bag. They didn't have this before. So let me take it out. I like the recyclable bags. User guide shows you everything. But anyway, put these back in the box. I ordered this off of Amazon, by the way. Got it the next day. In fact, ordered it like at 2 in the morning. I still got it about 11. So that was a good deal. And this is a good idea to keep the bag. That way you can keep one separate from the others. But, okay, so the way it works is you plug it in here, okay? And the light's working, all right? Then you get your battery. You plug this in, okay? There you go. Now, this dummy battery is like for studio work, all right? Or like me, I got a 110 volt outlet in my car connected to a surge protector, and that way I don't need a power bank. I just use this, and then if I get out of the car, I just use a regular camera battery. So, first thing, you open this up, take out the battery, put this in. See the green light? Take off the lens cap. Let's turn it on. Focus. It's working, folks. Okay. And that's in movie mode. Let's put it in camera mode. Okay. Yep. So it's working. All right. One down. Turn it off. Take out the battery. Put the other battery in. One down. Moment of truth. Okay. Same sensor as the Z6II and the ZF, okay? So, if it worked on the ZF, it should work on here. And this does come with a dummy battery door, which the ZF doesn't, but you can leave the door open, okay? You know, to keep it cooler. Shuts down. Moment of truth. Light came on and it's working. And there you go. So they're working fine. So this is the older type. It'll do the DSLRs, I think it can also do the D850. So both of these work. I'm happy. Now I got 2 dummy batteries again for my full frame cameras. The Z6III and Z8 uses a different type, but this is the Gonine, and it's the Gonine EP-5B. Okay. Pretty good. I've had no problems with that and a couple others. Everything is working. Now I'm going to show you a little bit on the website from Amazon, and you're going to rock at the price. That's why I bought it. Okay. And there you have it, folks. You can get it delivery if you're close by Amazon for $28.79. So if you order within 11 hours and 11 minutes, you can get this battery. So it's a Gonine EP-5B EH-5 power adapter, all in one. And it can do the 15A, B, and C dummy batteries. So there's the mirrorless, all the way up to the 7.2s and the ZF. It will work with the ZF, so they left it off, all right? But then they got the, the DSLRs. It will work on the D850. I don't see the 780 on there, but it should work. And anyway, there you have it. So the dummy battery is working on these 2 cameras. Okay. And hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Remember, stay safe, keep smiling, and I will see you next time. Bye, folks. Have a wonderful day.